Weekly Forex outlook for Sunday, June 8th to Friday, June 13th. Going to be breaking down my 5 main currency pairs with gold, US 30, NAS, S&P, WTI, and BCO USD. So to start us off, let's start with the DXY. So the DXY from the previous week going into this one. So the DXY from the previous week going into this one, right? We see price was coming off this this weekly area of demand right around here, right? All the way in April, came and touched that area. Then we have it previous market close, right? Came and rejected that area. Now looking like we're going to go to the upside. H3 looking like we're getting that bit of a transition from bearish to bullish. Still haven't done it yet, but it looks like we're in a transitional state. Next we got GBP JPY. So GJ from the previous week going into this one. Sorry, this is not my pair. This is my pair. It's more labeled. So GJ from the previous week going into this one. We see price finally breaking out of that weekly and daily area of demand. Supply. I didn't quite delete that area just because looking left from the previous price action, price came, right, closed, and then overall came back to the downside. Came again, wicked for overall coming to the downside. Do I think we're going to get a break? Yes, but has it happened yet? No, so I'm still keeping this here. Gonna go ahead and also move this right there, and also move this as well, right around there. Just previous areas of daily TBV supply. H3 bullish order flow, still kind of in a weird price action, but overall coming off that weekly area of demand, price has been going up to the upside. So let's see what happens with this pair. Next we got GU. So GU from the previous week going into this one, we finally took out that weekly area of supply I've had labeled, made new highs. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this area since it's no longer a respected area of supply or demand. Also that daily rally base drop scenario, right? GU's bullish on the daily and weekly time frame. H3 bullish order flow. So go ahead and label this H3 demand area right around there. TBV demand. Go ahead and label that area. Let's see what price does. Overall new highs. So let's see what happens for this week. But GU is obviously bullish. EU, previous week going into this one. Price is coming off a daily TBV area of supply, right? Also looking left, you do see price has come in the previous weeks before. Back in April, touched that weekly area of supply before overall coming back down, filling in that minor gap before overall coming to the upside. H3 bullish order flow. Want to see what price is going to do coming off this area of supply. Going to go ahead and label this area of demand right around here, since looking to the right, you see price came with that area, looking like it's making a little retracement and maybe could take that area up, out, or come back, reject, pick up more buyers, and go to the upside. Let's see what happens. Next, we got AU. So AU from the previous week going into this one, we do see price was rejecting from that weekly and daily area of supply. Still haven't gotten a break on our daily, however. Similar to, I think it was GJ, price was coming out of that area, but overall wicking out of it before overall coming back to the downside. We are still bullish, but just overall, it's kind of like it is going to the upside. You do see highs getting taken out, but it's just the fact that it's getting taken out in like a rangy, ugly type of way, not clear price action. It's still clear, but it's like ranging, minor highs getting broken, lows are still getting respected. It's like I don't really like trade this price action when I see it personally, but teachers their own. Next we got UJ. So UJ from the previous week going into this one, price is still rejecting from that weekly area of demand I've had labeled, right? Overshooting it here and here, but overall still respecting that area, coming back up, retracing, then overall going to the downside. Didn't quite make a new low, so this could be a sign of reversal. Daily looks like it's ranging. H3 looking like we're in a transitional state and it could be going to the upside, but let's see what happens. Next, we got gold. Gold, my God, gold made me so much money. I hit my milestone month last month. did 100K off gold. I still have a lot of my old drawings here. Some people might say this makes it more, your trading more confusing, but I kind of don't mind it. So let's go ahead and delete this area. Delete that area. Oh shit, no, not that. That. So overall, looking left, we do see price is kind of ranging within this area between the 3100 area all the way up to the 34 area, right? Obviously, on the daily, price does still look more bullish since this would be the last valid daily higher low to that higher high, right? Anything going on in between these two areas is just price action movement. Looking left, obviously, you do see price has been rejecting from that daily sell order block right around there. So go ahead and label that area. Overall coming back to the downside, but still rejecting from that area. You also do, looking left, see daily TVV demand. I'm going to be trading this pair, bro, but looking forward to seeing how it trades this week. WTICO USD still rejected from that weekly fair value gap I had labeled. Rejected it, touched it beautifully, hit the 50% area before overall coming back up, retracing it, coming back down, making it the bottom scenario before overall going to the upside. H3 bullish order flow. Daily structure is still bearish since this would be the last valid daily lower high into this lower low. Anything going on in between these two areas is just price action movement. So yes, we do have an H3 bullish order flow, but within daily bearish structure. BCO USD, similar price action, if not the same. Minor wicks out of that weekly fair value gap, but overall same price action, so I'm not going to break that down. S&P, we finally see it coming back to those all-time highs. Similar price action to GJ or EU, I can't remember, but overall wicking out of that weekly area of supply before overall coming back to the downside. So I'm not going to delete that area since it's still respected. Yes, price is breaking through, but it has not broke through. There was a quote my old teacher used to say: break above, stay above, and trade above. It didn't break above, it didn't stay above, it didn't trade above, so it's still somewhat respected. Overshoot, stop hunts, whatever you want to call them, price minorly broke out, but didn't break above, stay above, and trade above. Overall came down to the downside. And because of how close it is to that daily supply area, I still let it. If it was like something where it's like, personally, if it like broke out all the way to here, then came down, I'd still delete it because that's way too, it's in a new area of price, but like it's so close. And it's like, if you look closely, like you're seeing really closely priced, like the bodies are so close into the supply area. It just shows how much people are coming in for sells, or maybe sell limits are there and getting taken out. So I'm still gonna leave that here. Yeah, overall daily and H3 is bullish. So let's see what happens. NAS, similar price action, if not the same. Gonna go ahead and move this area to the left. I want to see what price is gonna do in that area. H3 bullish order flow, obviously. US 30, similar if not the exact same price action. Actually, it's not even the exact same, but it is approaching a minor area of supply. Looking left right here. Gonna go ahead and label this area. Daily TBV supply. TBV for me stands for time-based volume, since time is fractal. Overall, that's all for my weekly breakdown video. I thank you guys for watching my video and have a good trading